Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to verify Kraken account. To verify Kraken account, first you have to tap open your application or visit the official website, that is kraken.com. Then make sure that you are logged in. Now tap on verify identity. Here you can select your country code and enter your phone number here. Then tap on continue. After this, you have to enter your legal name. Make sure your name matches what's on your government issued ID. Then tap on continue. Here, you have to select your date of birth. And then tap on confirm. Now tap on continue. Here, you have to enter your residential address. After this, tap on continue. Here, you have to enter your social security number. And then tap on continue. Now you have to choose your occupation. Choose the option that best describes your occupation. And then tap on continue. Now you have to select the source of funds. You can select multiple. And then tap on continue. Here you have to give purpose of account. You can select all that apply. And then tap on continue. Here you have to select expected product use. Select all that apply. And then tap on continue. Here you have to add expected deposits you can make each month. And then tap on continue. Now you have to add expected withdrawals each month. And then tap on continue. Now you have to add expected trades you make in a month. And then tap on continue. Now, a valid government issued photo ID is required to verify your identity. Just tap on continue. Now, select your country from where your government ID is from. And then tap on continue. Here, select a type of government ID. And now you have to give permission for Kraken to take pictures and record video. You have to place the front of your ID in the frame and then click a photo. After this, you have to take photo of the back side of your ID and then tap on continue. After taking photo of both front side and back side of your ID, you also have to take a selfie photo and upload it. And after that, your verification will be started. Due to privacy reason, I would not be able to show you the uploading process of ID and selfie. It may take a couple of days for verification of your Kraken account. After the verification process, you can start trading, including buying and selling of cryptocurrencies and depositing funds as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.